Today we're going to learn about adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. Let's read 3 sentences that have examples of adjectives in them. The red apple is on the table. This is a tall building. The cold snow fell from the sky. Let's go back to that first sentence. The red apple is on the table. Do you see a word in this sentence that describes a noun or a pronoun? Red. Red is an adjective that describes the noun apple. Next, this is a tall building. Do you see the word in this sentence that describes a noun? Tall. Tall describes the noun building, so tall is an adjective. And the third sentence, the cold snow fell from the sky. Do you see the word in this sentence that describes a noun? Cold. Cold describes the noun snow, so cold is an adjective. So we know that an adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. But what types of details do adjectives tell us about the nouns and pronouns they describe? Adjectives tell us which, how much, how many, what kind, and whose. Let's look at some examples. First, let's look at an example of an adjective that tells us which. This book is on my desk. Do you see the adjective that tells us which? This. The adjective this describes the noun book. It tells us which book. We could ask the question, which book? This book. Now let's look at an adjective that tells how much. I ate too much bread. Do you see the adjective in the sentence? The adjective is much. That adjective describes the noun bread. It tells us how much bread. How much bread? Much bread. Now let's look at an adjective that tells how many. You have 3 apples. Do you see the adjective in the sentence? 3. 3 is an adjective that describes the noun apples. It tells us how many apples. How many apples? 3 apples. Let's look at an example that tells us what kind. The beautiful sky is blue. This sentence has 2 adjectives that tell us what kind. Do you see them? Beautiful and blue. Both of these adjectives describe the noun sky. They tell us what kind of sky. What kind of sky is it? A beautiful sky and a blue sky. And finally, whose. Whose means who does it belong to or who owns it. Amy's car and my car are red. This sentence has 3 adjectives, but only 2 of the adjectives tell whose. Which ones tell whose? Do you see them? Amy's and my. Each of these adjectives describes the noun car. Whose car? Amy's car. And whose car? My car. Now let's practice. Instructions. Find the adjectives. Each of the following sentences has 1 or more adjectives. Let's see if you can find all of them. Number 1. The bright sun was very warm. Number 2. Our cute dog wanted to go outside. Number 3. The strange tree by his house is too big. Number 4. Antonio's daughter is so adorable. Number 5. That building and these cars are dirty. Find each adjective and pause the video while you work. Are you ready to check your answers? Let's check. The bright sun was very warm. This sentence has 2 adjectives. Do you see them? Bright and warm. These adjectives describe the noun sun. They tell what kind. What kind of sun? Bright and warm sun. Number 2. Our cute dog wanted to go outside. This sentence has 2 adjectives too. What are they? Our and cute. Both of these adjectives describe the noun dog. Our tells whose dog. Cute tells what kind of dog. Whose dog? Our dog. What kind of dog? The cute dog. Number 3. The strange tree by his house is too big. This sentence has 3 adjectives. What are they? Strange, his, and big. The adjective strange describes the noun tree. It tells what kind of tree. His describes the noun house by telling whose house. Big describes the noun tree by telling what kind. Number 4. Antonio's daughter is so adorable. This sentence has 2 adjectives. What are they? Antonio's and adorable. Antonio's describes the noun daughter by telling whose daughter. Adorable describes daughter by telling what kind. Now there's also the word so. Sometimes people get confused and think that so is an adjective, but actually so describes the word adorable. So is an adverb. We'll learn more about adverbs later, but for now, just try to remember that so is not an adjective. Number 5. That building and these cars are dirty. This sentence has 3 adjectives. Do you see them? That, these, and dirty. That describes the noun building by telling which. These describes the noun cars by telling which. And finally, dirty describes 2 nouns, cars and building, by telling what kind. The end. Our adjectives practice for today is complete. I hope this video helped you understand what an adjective is and how to identify it. Thank you for watching.